Bro, do you even layer? Hey Fragrance family, I'm David with the Fragrance Bros, of course your best source for everything fragrance related. Today we're doing a video in my basic series where we answer all the basic questions about fragrance and cologne. Today we're asking and answering the question, what is layering? Now if you've been in the fragrance game for a while, this is going to be a no-brainer to you, but I'm going to have a couple of things to say about layering in a minute. For those who are new, layering is just when you put on multiple fragrances at one time. And you may see this in forums where people talk about layering this fragrance versus that fragrance to get a desirable effect. And that's really where I see it most of the time, on Facebook forums or on other blogs of some sort. You'll also hear it from sales associates, and I think this is really where it got some traction. A lot of sales associates will push certain fragrances as layering fragrances, certain lines as layering fragrances. And there's a great advantage for them to do that, because if they can get you to buy more than one fragrance, then they win. Now, as I demonstrated at the beginning of the video, you can do layering in a lot of different ways. You can spray different parts of your body in different places. You can spray the same location several times to layer, and there's probably different other ways as well. There's not really a rule to layering. It's really just people having fun and experimenting with the fragrance collection that they have. I think if you've been in the fragrance world for a while, you might come into the predicament where you might be a little bit bored of your collection. You might not want a particular fragrance that you're familiar with in your collection, and you might just want to have a little bit of fun to see what happens if you put fragrance A matched with fragrance B. Maybe they're two of your favorite fragrances and you think, I love both of these. What if I combine both of them into a super powerful, beast mode, awesome fragrance? So if you have a collection that allows you to do multiple fragrances, that's just kind of fun to do sometimes. I personally don't layer fragrances. I'm kind of against it. I have nothing against other people experimenting with layering, of course. I think if you want to do that, more power to you. You know, go knock yourself out, go nuts. But me personally, I want to experience the fragrance how the perfumer wanted it to be experienced, which is their initial vision. But that's how I really approach a fragrance. I think if a fragrance company wants to make a fragrance, they'll just make it in one bottle. But that being said, I'm wearing Cedrat Innovant on the left and Bergamot Soleil on the right by Atelier Cologne. I gotta say, I smell really good right now. Sometimes layering can be a revelation and you smell even better than you initially thought you would. And sometimes it's a complete flop. So really, layering is a gamble. And those that like to gamble may like to layer fragrances. So that's essentially what layering is. But I want to know what everyone's favorite layering of fragrances is. Let us know down in the comments. What is your favorite layering combination? That would be a great thread of discussion, seeing what everyone layers down below. So comment down below and tell us your favorite layering combo. I'd like to thank my sponsor, Fragrance X, for sponsoring this video. Fragrance X is an online reseller that sells thousands of legitimate fragrances for a discounted price. I've bought from them before, so I really recommend them to you. I'll have a link down below as well as a coupon so you can get some money off. You can go there and buy multiple fragrances so you can test out for your layering experiments. Thanks everyone for watching. If you have any questions that you'd like me to answer, feel free to email me or drop a comment down below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave with the Fragrance Bros. Bye. Thanks everyone for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to check out my other channel, Beast Made Reviews, where me and a friend review high quality products for men. You might like it. Go check it out.